Rudra comes to know about your true colors, he will leave you. He will hate you. Rudra cannot hate me. Nobody can separate him from me. And whoever tries to turn my love for Rudra into hatred, then I will throttle that person to death.
Manvi, Manvi, Manvi. Wow. Your short hair is looking so nice. I love your short hair. Keep it like that.
MJ, she...
Relax, dear. Tell me something, Manvi. You have a mother who doesn't remember anything. And you're not ready to forget anything. I would say forget the past.
over my dead body.
Maybe you will save your mother, but this?
You cannot do anything to my Rudra.
Rudra is close to my heart. I'll not let him come in harm's way. But what about him? Are drinks allowed during a fast?
Brother-in-law, you are really very funny. Well, Rudra is serious, but his face is just like yours.
Even your daughter is just like you. Pretty. But her nature is completely different. You take care of everyone, but Maya is very forgetful. She forgets about herself, about her loved ones, about everything.
Rajiv? What happened to you, Rajiv? Hey!
Dad, you know Rajiv very well. He's a very good friend of Maya. Rajiv has gone through a lot of trouble. Some goons have beaten him.
That's why I and Rudra have decided that Rajiv will live here from now onwards. I hope you don't mind, Dad.
Thank you, Maya, Rudra. Also, Mr. MJ, you have given a person like me shelter in your house. I'll be very safe here.
Sit down. I'll bring water for you.
Yes.
He was a cheater. A dirty businessman. I hope he rots in hell. Am I right, sir? Just because I refused to join his business, he planned to break my hands and legs. He's a cheat. Am I right, Mr. MJ? Sir, shall I tell you something? If Rudra would find that man, Rudra would have beaten him up nicely. Am I right, Rudra?
Yeah, we'll talk about this later. Now, come on, you need rest.
Be careful. You're pretending to be good in front of Rudra.
I don't have to try for that. Because according to Rudra, I am good.
Happy Valentine's Day. love you. Damn, I didn't get any gift for you. Flowers. These are cheesy, but works every time. Wait.
I don't want even the thorn of a flower hurting you. Rudra never gets to know about it. Rajiv, if he gets to know about it, then he will leave me. And I cannot lose Rudra. He means everything to me.
Maya, my hand.
Rajiv, he shouldn't know anything about Rishi at all. Do you understand me?
I promise I won't say anything. Maya, my
And-
hand. It's paining.
Sorry. Listen, don't talk about Rishi in front of Rudra ever in your life.
I told you before that Rudra is a hero.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey. Are you still annoyed with me?
Of course. Did you do all this? No worries. I'll wear a t-shirt.
Now better.
Valentine date with Rudra. Quite romantic.
Since when did you start seeking permission?
Ever since you took away the rights of my friendship. And anyway, I came here at Mr. Mrityunjay behest to complete the last assignment. Behad. Written by Maya Jaisingh. Published by Rudra Publications.
Published by Ruan Publications. Your name will always be connected to this company, Anu.
Did she complete the last chapter?
No, Maya is working on it.
Sir, madam has sent this for you.
Wow. Chocolate dome.
Nice. Why has Miss Santara sent you this?
No, not Miss Antara. Miss Maya has sent this.
I hate chocolates.
You keep sulking, and I will continue to pacify you. Tonight at 9 p.m. on special Valentine's date.
Maya, this date is not with Rudra. Rather, it's a date with your past.
Maya? Maya, what are you doing?
It's our first Valentine's Day. And today, every couple finds their love. Today you will have to fill colors. In this Maya and not that one.